Want to start your TikTok journey but not sure how to download the app on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this short guide, I'll show you step by step how to install TikTok and get ready for endless scrolling, laughter, and creative video clips. Whether you're a total beginner or just switching phones, the installation is quick and easy. The first thing you need to do is find the App Store app on your home screen and open it. Once you're inside, tap the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the search bar, type TikTok, and start the search. When the app appears in the results, you'll see the TikTok app. Tap on it. This will open the app's page, where you can see more information such as the app description, user ratings, reviews, number of downloads, and screenshots showing what the app looks like in use. Once you're there, tap the Get button to download it. In my case, the Get button doesn't appear because I already have TikTok installed, so instead it says Open. If you've downloaded the app before, you might see a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap that to reinstall it. When the download begins, wait a few seconds for the app to install. Once it's done, the Open button will appear. Tap on it, and it will take you straight into TikTok. From there, you can create a new account or log in if you already have one. When you enter the app, TikTok might ask for permission to access your camera, microphone, and notifications. Feel free to adjust these settings as you prefer. After that, you're all set. You can start scrolling through videos, liking, commenting, and of course, creating your own TikTok content. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching and see you soon.